cleaning this, and also this is jamba. Jamba, it helps, and also swelling in the legs and hands also.
Okay.
Okay, this also came from skin, not this. Also these are the for example, all these materials come from skin, and it's good for heart, and also lungs, and also brain, all. And this comes from Amritsar in India. Different kinds of plants, herbs, roots, some they came from these came from available in India. Okay, we say this ning the heart, and also mental, and sleep, and also peaceful mind, and all the body. We say Tibetan lung. Different kind of lung disease. This is very effective for these people. This medicine is very good for urination and swelling, and also kidney, and also diabetes, sugar, and also lower back pains. This is very good for. Okay. Composition same together for the swelling, for the kidney, for the urination, for the urinary bladder, and also swelling legs and face swellings, water retention.
Little. Your home?
Yeah, this is Paru. 3 fruits we say Tibetan Devusum, Paru. And
it's for what this?
Yeah, this is for Kuru. Indian says Amla. And this is for Aru. Aru is very good for all the disease. Every different kinds of disease is very good for Aru in Tibetan medicine.
Where come from all those?
Yeah, these come from Amritsar in India. India is a very big country, and these materials available in India. Very good. Then this is Kuru. Kuru is very good for also headache, and also fever, some kind of fever. Very good. Then this Paru. Paru is very good for the uric acid, and also the more fatty, and also greasy, and obesity, and also this Paru is very. Name of the medicine in Tibetan says Kuru 6. Kuru 6. Kuru 6 is make pills. This pill, Kuru 6, is very good for the main for the sugar, diabetes, and also kidney, and also pancreas, liver, all the digestion. Okay. Yeah,
okay.
Second sorrow. Okay. People they say Karila. We Tibetan says Kadi, in English bitter gourd, seed of the bitter gourd. This is very good for the gallbladder, liver, and biles. For example, the yellowish eyes, yellow urine, and also bitter taste, headache, vomiting. These all are symptoms of the liver, gallbladder. So this medicine is very effective for this disease.
Okay.
Okay, this is plants. Actually, we can get this Himalaya region, Nepal, and also Bhutan, and in India, Sikkim, Gangtok, and also this came from Tibet. It is said Tibetan taksha plants is very good, very best for the wound, sores, and also it is very good for infection, inflammation inside body, and also this is good for antidote like food poison, meat poison, and under inside body infections. These materials came from Tibet through Nepal to India. In Tibetan says Ruda. Ruda is good for digestion, whole digestion system, especially gastric, more gastric, and this is very good smell. This is good for the gastric, stomach, and also lungs, and discomfort stomach, and also this is good for the some kind of lymph nodes and some tumors inside. So we made this medicine for Ruda 6, and also some other medicines we can put this medicine.
Okay.
And this is his brother.
Just a minute. Just a minute.
It look like, yeah.
Yeah.
It look like.
And what's the difference?
But this is we call it Manu. But this material potency effects, it contains like same benefits, same effects for the gastric, stomach, digestion, yeah, lungs, and also fever, all, yeah. But this is good smell. Sometimes the Ruda, this is very good smell, so we use in incense also. Incense. Then this is more hard, this is more soft. Okay. Put in also making tea, Indian sweet tea, very tasty. We also use this for medicine for kidney, for stomach, for gastric, for the also lower back pain, and also kidney, liver, stomach also. Yeah. So in Tibetan medical system says stomach is the main for the machine engine. For example, in Tibetan medical text says stomach is the main source of all the body immunity, because for example in the field is a more place where we can plant rice and also wheat, everything came from the field. Like this, our different kind of disease also comes from the indigestion problem, the stomach, liver, digestion system imbalance. Then it automatically makes a different kind of disease after that. So during the treatment method also, Tibetan medical ancient texts and Buddhist texts like some, they explain that we have to, for example, if someone who has a sugar problem, then we are not only giving for the medicine for the sugar, but also we have to add medicine for the digestion and also stomach. If the stomach digestion system is everything is fine, it automatically then helps for the sugar reduce, and after a long time taking medicine, then it's uprooted the disease of the sugar also. Yeah. For example, if we have a car, there's more engine for the car. Like this, our stomach digestion system is like an engine.
Okay.
Yeah, this is kurgum. Indian says full kusum. This is the flower. This is very good for the liver. Main important medicine for the liver. This kurgum helps for the every different kinds of the disease for liver, and also not only for the liver, but also for good for the kidney and also spleen, and also good for the blood circulation, and also it is also good for the eye, and it is good for the stop the bleeding, also inside outside the internal bleeding is also very good for this medicine. We used in medicine for Kugum 8, Kugum 13, and Kugum 7, and in different Kugum, many kinds of Kugum medicines. It is main some different kind of lungs, asthma, throat, breathing problems. This medicine is very good for this kind of disease.
How do you know what is that? What kind of pills?
Okay,
They're all the same?
not same. Many different kind of disease. Actually, we are here making. We are producing here at least 60, 70 different kind of pills here.
Okay.
This is Zhongxi 21. This is good for the this. In this medicine, we have put 21 different kind of materials. We said Zhongxi. On the base of the Zhongxi, then we have put 21 different kind of stomach, liver, and also ulcer, especially ulcer in the stomach. In the stomach, chronic disease, and also esophagus, and also ulcer inside the stomach, and also chronic liver disease, chronic colon, and also intestine and duodenum in the stomach, ulcer. This medicine is very effective for, but it takes time because
So it's different color, and can you name them by the color?
Yeah. Then in this medicine we have put 6 different kinds of materials. This is for the gastric, more discomfort, and more barfing also, because stomach gastric problem. Sometimes patient feel discomfort, stomach, and ulcer, and also difficulty to swallow food and drinks, and this medicine is very good for. High mountain. This flower is very beautiful, bluish, very nice. And also it has a thorn like this high, and we call this is a Tsengmen. It is good for the bone fracture, and also good for the bone density, and for muscle weakness, circulation, especially bone, calcium. This medicine is very good for Tsengmen. These came from the Tibet and also Himalaya only, on the high mountain. Tibet, Panjin. We made this medicine for this beautiful, like this beautiful flower. Panjin Ngombo, Panjin Kabo, 3 types Panjin on the mountain, on the Tibet, high altitude. If we made this Panjin 15, good for the asthma, and also breathing problem, and also some ladies thyroid, and also lungs, and getting fever, cold, and also sneezing, and some kind of allergy. These medicines are very good for. From the Tibet, Nepal, India, Himalaya regions, beautiful flower. There are two types: white flower, blue flower. We can say this Panji Ngombo. It means blue panjin, white panjin, and also this is blue panjin, good for the asthma, breathing problems, lungs, cold, getting cold, influenza, and also sneezing and allergy, some kind of. I like this flower very much. This beautiful, very nice, very beautiful. During the summer time, we go to the Himalaya mountain, then this you can see here to the lungs, then it was a difficulty to treatment. But so this medicine is very good for the bone density, bone cancer, and also bone fracture. This is a Pangbe. Pangbe means it is comes from the high Himalaya mountain, Tibet, in the meadow. Pangbe. Then it is very good for the chronic fever. Antidote like poison, food poison, meat poison, chronic fever inside body. This is very good smell. We used also, this is for the in the religious system. Also this Pangbe is used in the butter for the Nag spirits, Naga, and also we used also this is incense in the temple. Very nice smell. You can India many the perfumes they also added this like very big, yeah, very beautiful smell.
I'm ready.
Okay, this is Panjin Ngombo, and also this is Pangbe. This comes from the Himalaya region. This is good for the Pangbe is good for chronic fever and food poison and meat poison, some kind of poisonous antidote. And this is good for the Panjin is good for cold, influenza, and also breathing problems, asthmas, and also lungs, throat, everything. Yeah, this is very good for. We made this Panjin based this Panjin 15 medicine. We call the Panjin Chonga, Panjin 15. And also we added this medicine Pangbe is for the chronic fever, chronic disease, chronic inflammations. Yeah. And also Pangbe is used also incense, good smelling, and also it is used for Naga puja, for the Naga spirits. During the Naga day, we use also Pangbe also with butter.
Okay, you can go down. Go down.
Okay.
Go down. Go down. You can walk. In the process.
Yeah. The process of the making pills. First, we have to collect the medicine from different kinds of places: India, Nepal, Bhutan, Tibet, also Himalaya regions. Then, after getting different kinds of substances reached here in the pharmacy, we have to first these people, staff in the pharmacy, they have to make clean all the different kinds of substances. And first, second, and third also, after complete cleaning these substances, then third we have to make composition, all different kinds of composition. And after composition finish, then they have to make mixture in the machine. And after making powder, then also we have to make peels in the machine. After completed peels, then these peels also need to dry naturally under the sun. Then after completed dry, then we have to make outside like polishing. Then this completed, then we have to pack medicine. This is the just brief procedure of the making peels.
So where we are?
Yeah, this is a storeroom.
For the pills.
Yeah, for the pills. This is our storeroom for the pills. Because after completed making pills procedure, then we put here in the medicine. Name of the, for example, the label here, like this. This is so 25, good for the fever. Like this is for the agar 20. Then this is for Chugang 25. This is Kalo, and this is Nikil. This is Tikda 8. Some, yeah, we have different kind of medicines.
On this.
For example, this is Mangjor, Rinji Mangjor. It is good for the like poison antidote, poisonous, every kind of poisonous and chronic disease. Like, and this is also good for liver. You need 25 base for the turquoise and 25 different kinds of ingredients. You need 25, good for the liver, spleen, and also gallbladder. Then also this is pink. This is good for the tumor, coral 25. This is good for the brain, and this also blood pressure, and for the paralysis. Special pills, traditionally Tibetan medical system. Then this is also Mudik pearls 25, very good for the paralysis, MS, muscular dystrophy, and also for the brain tumor, brain cancer, and also paralysis. Called, this is called Jagril. Jagril is good for the eye, especially eye medicine. These are the precious medicine, because the different colors, different precious pills. For example, this is white. Then also, for example, here this is white color. It represents 5 elements, 5 different kinds of elements: water, fire, earth, and also wood. 5 elements. And also in this thread, 5 different kinds of different kinds of the colors: white, yellow, red, green, blue. 5 elements. Outside every 5. Okay, then I will show you. This is precious pills, ancient traditional Tibetan medical system. This is precious for the eye. Jagri precious pills.
Why?
Because it contains different kinds of precious, like pearls, coral, turquoise, and many different kinds of precious medicines. Then it's very good for some kind of chronic. Then this is for Mudik 25. It contains 5 different kinds of herbs. We put these pearls, and good for the MS, muscular dystrophies, paralysis, brain tumor, and nervous systems. Some kind of gold, copper, and also some ingredients we put this. And for example, this is like pink color, and we put this coral 25. It helps for the blood pressure, and also brain stroke, and circulation, and memory, all related. This Chuma 25. And for example, this is for Uni 25. This is turquoise 25. It helps for the liver cancer, liver and gallbladder cancer, and also, for example, the spleen, liver, gallbladder.
But tell me, doctor.
Jaundice. Because it contains for some expensive materials. Not only that, it also this composition is this procedure is very difficult to. It takes maybe some 5 months, 1 year, 2 years. It takes times. So due to reason, and this medicine is very good effective for some kind of chronic disease, chronic cancer, some liver cancer, stomach cancer, and also brain cancer, bone cancer, some kind of. So that's why these medicines are very good for, we call it like precious. And for example, this brown, these precious pills, this is Mangjor 25. This medicine is good for the antidote, like poisons, food poisons. For example, if we go to travel some places, different places, and then due to the different foods, then indigestion, then this after taking this medicine helps, and meat poison.
So it's a kind of antidote.
Yeah, antidote, very good for. You should in pharmacy. Then he made some kind of puja in the name of the Radpur Vajra Chanatoji, in some kind of Jajung, we Tibetan call Jajung. This medicine, we must have to meditate, mantra, and rituals and pujas after making pills. This medicine must needed necessary. Then this medicine is very good for some medical treatment. This is chunga kenden. Then also here, this is also chunga, but different colors, because this is completely black. This is a little bit strong. Then it helps for the pain, reduce the pain. Like in allopathic medicine system, they painkiller. Taking medicine like this Tibetan medicine chunga is also like painkiller. It helps for reduce the pain all the body, and also infections, inflammation, and also for chronic disease. Not only chronic disease, but also in ancient traditional Tibetan medical, we explain that disease, behind the disease there's evil spirits, harmful, some naga, some evil spirits, and then these also are this medicine helps very much. I came from Tibet. I was born in Tibet. I came from Tibet to here as a refugee for almost 19-20 years ago, since I arrived here in India. Because after I arrived here in India, I feel that I would like to learn traditional Tibetan medicine. So after I arrived, I joined in Tibetan Medical College. And here in Dharamsala, Tibetan Medical College, I joined. Then I have learned Tibetan medicine medical course for 5 years. After I completed my medical course, then I did my internship for 1 year, 6 months in Maharashtra state in India, and 6 months in New Delhi, Tibetan Medical Center in Nizamuddin in New Delhi. Then after I completed my medical course and internship, then I was appointed as a literary research department of Dharamsala. Then where I worked, I served for 5 years in Dharamsala, and I also worked for 1 year as a resident doctor in one of the branch clinic in New Delhi of Minjikang Tibetan Medical and Astro Institute. Okay, Dr. Yushu Dende was born in 1921 in south of Lhasa, we Tibetan called Yamdok area. And also I was born in Yamdok, and his grandfather, mother, and my grandfather, mother, we have a relative, ancient. And also after I came in exile, Then after completed my medical course, then I go to Dr. Tandon's clinic to learn, to practice. Then after completed my medical course, and I served for 5 years in Minjikang Medical Institute. Then now it has been for almost 4 years ago. And then before then I joined with Dr. Yushu Tandon because he needs good assistant doctor. Now it has been for 4 years ago. I joined with Dr. Tandon clinic. Then I learned how to make pills in his pharmacy. Then I also gained a lot of experience in the field of the treatment in his clinic, and how to analyze his urine examination, and also reading pulse, and also treatment. Now it has been for 4 years ago. Medicine, Tibetan medical, ancient medical texts explain that Tibetan medicine is very good for the chronic disease, especially some kind of every different kind of cancer, and also diabetes, and also brain. So Tibetan medicine is based for the formula of the different kinds of herbs, and also plants, flowers. That's why it takes a long time course to take medicine by the patient. But it takes time. But after taking long time course, then it uprooted the disease. Because in our medical text explained that our main target or aims for the treatment is to uproot the disease. Because for example, if we got there's a tree, if we got the branch, leaves, and also flowers, then next year also, because that plants also growing leaves, branch, trees, because there's a root inside the place. Then after, if we cut the plants, uprooted the plants, then next time there's no need to grow trees like this. For example, if the patient has a symptoms of I have a headache, I have feel vomiting, and I have a yellowish eyes, and I have loose appetite, and I have some fever, then these are also like same like symptoms of the liver and gallbladder. That's why if we give medicine for the stop for the headache, stop for the vomiting, then this is not enough, because the main disease comes from the liver gallbladder system. Is not good. That's why we have given medicine for the main focus for the liver gallbladder treatment. Then after taking long time course, then it helps for the liver function, gallbladder, everything is fine. Then automatically headache, yellowish eye, vomiting, fever, all finished.
Okay, you are in.
Okay, the different fundamentals of the Tibetan medicine and other medicine is that Tibetan medicine, for example, the doctor, he himself need more qualification, not only to study the Tibetan medical textbooks, but also the doctor need much high spiritual levels, meditation, and also some rituals. Then medicine also, doctor also need to know everything, because for other these days modern scientists, allopathic medicine, they have specialists, some eye, some liver, some gastro specialists. But Tibetan ancient medical texts, books, and doctor himself, he know everything, plants, about the pharmacy, about the diagnosis disease, about the treatment, all holistic approach. Then also, because in Tibetan medical says disease, if we divide it to mental disease and also physical disease, and also we have treatment, also mental treatment and also physical treatment. So if we have some mental problem, this is related with mind, so we have to peace, love, kind, compassion, and also training of mind, peaceful mind. Then these, if we practice these are the medicine for the mind. And also if we pain for liver, stomach, other parts of bodies we have disease, then we need to take medicine. These are the medicine for the body. So the spiritual and also body are very related. Due to the reason, the Tibetan medical system is also not only, for example, if there is a stomach cancer, we are not only giving for the medicine for the cancer, stomach cancer, but also we have given medicine for lungs, liver, spleen, kidney, and also brain, nerves, all together, because everything is interconnectedness, because there is a relationship related to each others. It's very surprising. When I first came to Dr. Tandon Clinic, you feel just like I have felt at that time. It's very quick. But after 2-3 years, I also training with Dr. Tandon, because now he has a lot of experience, especially his urine analysis is something wonderful, special examination for the urine of the patient. Because through his experience, he just saw the urine nature, color, odor, and the substances. He automatically got what the kinds of the problems, disease, what the patient has. So through his long time, many years experience, he doesn't need much to take to time. And he also used at least 4 to 5 urine samples arranged, and then one time at a time he tests all the urine one time. Because with the younger Tibetan doctors, if we check urine, we need to check urine first, one patient urine, then it's enough, then we can consult it. But Dr. Tandon, due to the loss of patients, due to his long time experiences, then he doesn't need to take much time, because he knows everything. Yeah, not only smell, there is a smell, there is a color, there is a bubble, there is a sound, there is a density, and a lot of substances contains that urine tells us, like information.
Okay. So
urine examination, then the patient come into the clinic to make consultation with Dr. Tandon. Then he also check his patient pulse, reading pulse, because these 3 fingers and also this finger checks the patient heart, and also small intestine, and this also stomach and also spleen, and this finger also checks for the kidney and also seminal vessels. Then also this patient checks pulse checks lungs and large intestine, and this is for liver and gallbladder. Then this is also left kidney and also lower system. So these 6 different finger touches the patient hands, both hands. It takes time 5 to 10 minutes. Then these reading pulse express or explain that the doctor get information what kind of disease, upper part of body, lower part of body, middle part of body, and which types kind of disease, lungs, liver, brain, stomach, kidney, different kind of disease and weakness. We are getting information from this reading pulse. 6 fingers check all the body. For example, if what kind of weakness, then this first finger, this 2 finger upper part of body weakness, this middle part of body, this the lower part of body which weakness, and also 6 finger same together reading pulse. Then we check all the different whole body conditions. Then for some people very surprising that these 6 finger check patient urine, patient hands, whole body condition. Then why? For what reason?
okay.
These 6 fingers are very important for the reading pulse, checking patient. Then these 6 finger checks in different kind of disease and body conditions, every information get through the patient nerves. Because, for example, if a patient, why we know through this reading pulse, 6 fingers, different kind of disease of the patient. Because, for example, if someone who goes to the market, in the market, then for example, above Meghalaya, if I go to the Meghalaya from the starting Dalai Lama temple and also go to the Meghalaya temple main market, then after I come back to the temple, then I know there is 1-2 kb, there is Indian shop, there is market, we can get some these different kind of clothes and also shoppings, this like this all the informations we can know the passenger who traveled in the market. Like this, in the patient body there is a reading pulse beating, then there is a blood and also lung energy. This reading beating pulse 1, 2, 3 like this reading pulse. Then it all the body systems, blood circulation, collect information, lung system, liver system, kidney system, and also mentally, physically, what kind of weakness, what kind of disease, and are there giving through the in the veins coming waves of the wind and also blood circulation. Then keep information like the people go to the market. They can, after coming back, they can get every information. There is like this thing we can do like this. Everything is there like this. These people traveled in the market. Then they can give information detail like this. In the blood circulation, the vein system tells us every different kind of problems and disease are there in the body. Yeah. Because now Dr. Yushu Tandon, he is a very most famous, most outstanding. Now he is getting 91 old, but he is physically, mentally very healthy. He is a very special person. Then also he has a lot of experiences, and also through his experiences and treatment, we have a lot of patients from morning 9 to 1, sometimes 2 o'clock. We are checking patient at least 60, sometimes 70, sometimes in the summer 80, sometimes 90 people we are checking. Because a lot of different America, European, and also Russian, Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, and also all over South North Indian people, they are coming, lots of the patient. And also especially Dr. Tandon is a very specialist for the cancer treatment, because we have a lot of cancer, stomach cancer, liver cancer, gallbladder cancer, sarcoma, and also brain cancer, also different kind of cancers, pancreatic cancer, breast cancer, cervix cancer. So these patients after treatment and after operation, the allopathic system, then the doctor says we don't have medicine, then now patient they don't have life for 6 months, 1 year. Then after become hopeless, then these patient people come to clinic to consult with Dr. Tandon. Then after studying the Dr. Tandon's medicine and treatment, then after they are getting medicine, taking medicine day to day, month to month, yearly, they are become more healthy, more physically and mentally become healthy, better. Then these people very surprising. Then some kind of cancer patients completely cured after taking medicine, long-term course medicine. For the treatment of the cancer, Dr. Tandon, he has one thing is he has more experiences, 70 years experience. So he has a lot of patients. Then also one reason that, for example, for bone cancer also sarcoma, legs, and also this nature of the disease, after operation cut whole legs, but it separates into the lungs. For example, that's why if some patient come to the bone sarcoma, and also came to the clinic, and rather than give medicine for the sarcoma, for the bones, not only for the bone but also to control or to stop, and to the preparation for not to separate, for because Tibetan medicine is very good for cancer, because cancer is not a new disease, because it is a related chronic disease, because for the patient, for the breast cancer, bone cancer, liver cancer, stomach cancer, before coming cancer, these people at least 4 to 3 years before, due to weakness of the digestion, stomach, indigestion problem, then it makes a indigest. Then it gradually, the long times, then it become disease, causes of the cancer disease. Then later, after growing the cancer cells and the tumors inside, then people feel loss of the appetite, and also pain. Then go to the hospital to check the doctor. Then after diagnose that this is the cancer, because due to the reason this cancer disease the related chronic. That's why Tibetan medicine is very good for the chronic disease. So we are giving medicine for example, stomach cancer. We are giving medicine for the stomach cancer, but also we are not giving not only for the stomach cancer, but also we are giving for the lungs, liver, bone, brain, and also peaceful mind, all related medicine. Then after taking long time course, the continuous regularly taking medicine, then this patient feel very healthy. Then after, for example, Dr. Tandon Clinic, 4 to 5 months taking medicine, go to the Indian hospital, and also their whole body check, and also cancer marker, CA, they checked PET CT scan, then how much improvement is there after taking medicine 5 months. Then also after 1 year, also again check, then how much improvement. Then gradually with the report, with the patient, then everything is fine. Then completely patient feel better, report is okay. Then some people there's no cancer. Then these people is very surprising.
Of course, and this treatment.
Yeah, because through our experience here, we have a lot of cancer patients, not only Tibetan, but also lots of Indian and Indian, Europeans, and Russian, Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, across the world, people coming to the Dr. Tandon's visiting for the cancers and chronic disease. Then if we compare to the there are two persons. One, he is cancer, stomach cancer. She is also stomach cancer, but same disease, same cancer. But he is practicing some kind of Buddhist practices, some kind of Tai Chi yoga or Indian yoga traditional breathing exercise, training of mind, peaceful mind, happy mind. Then these people with the training, exercising, and after taking medicine, these people getting medicine effect is very quickly getting result, and more getting better quickly. But she doesn't practicing love, kindness, compassion, training of mind, meditation. Then she feels so sadness and also fear of the cancer. Then it affects the more reduced immunity, and also loss of the appetite, and also not getting sleep night in the properly. Then it makes the digestion system weakness. Then these people getting quickly down, immunity down, due to the. So that's why spiritually meditation and also love, compassion, and training peace of mind is very important.
Let's go.
Okay, and then Dr. Yushu Tandon was born in 1921 in Tibet, south of Lhasa. And at the age of 12, he started Minjikang Medical College, During that time, he got a great master, Venerable Kinro Nobu. Kinro Nobu is in 20th century one of the most famous Tibetan doctor, great secular, not only Tibetan medicine, but also Tibetan astrology, Tibetan Buddhism. He is a great secular. He was the personal physician of the 13th Dalai Lama. So after he completed his medical college, then he traveled to in the Lhoga region and south of the Lhasa. Then he treatment many years. Then after 1959, His Holiness Dalai Lama, 14th Dalai Lama came into exile. Then he also came after that through Bhutan to India. Then in 1960, His Holiness Dalai Lama request to come to Dr. Tenden to Dharamsala. Then at that time he came to 1961. He came to Dharamsala. Then His Holiness 14th Dalai Lama started the Tibetan Medical and Astro Institute Minjikang, set up second here in Dharamsala 1961. Then Dr. Tenden did His Holiness personal physician of His Holiness Dalai Lama and also Minjikang Medical College teacher and pharmacy doctor. Then in after 1976-77, then Dr. Tenden resigned from the Minjikang. Then he set up his new clinic, Tibetan Herbal Clinic. Then now it has been for many years ago. Then he did the personal physician of Dalai Lama 1961 to 1980, almost 20 years he did personal physician of Dalai Lama. Then he traveled to US, United States, Spain and many European countries also. Then nowadays he is getting very old ages and also, but he is healthy, so we have a lot of patients in the clinic, especially in different kinds of cancers across the world. So he's very busy and also very famous. Yeah, Tibetan medicine is really very wonderful. This is logically, reasonably, we have very much precious treasure ancient Tibetan. Tibetan medicine is not only Tibetan medicine, but also 18th, 12th century, 9th century Tibetan king Trisung Dezen, and also many great secular traveled into 9 different kinds of the countries. Then they collected many different kinds of knowledge, medical treatments and herbs and also method, then compiled Tibetan medical system. So nowadays Tibetan medical system, medical texts for great textbooks and many different commentaries, many explanatory books. We have a lot of thousand books. So these are very much helpful. And also in the modern 20th century, especially different kind of cancer disease, some chronic disease, we have a good medicine, we have a good treatment. So Tibetan medicine is awareness on the world to spread all over. Then Tibetan medicine serves for the whole world because we have a good wonderful knowledge and wisdoms in Tibetan medical system. It is by natural. There is no, after taking, for example, we have in Dr. Tenden Clinic 20 years, 15 years patient still taking medicine. There is no any side effect because due to the by natural medicine, there is no any side effect. Like we are eating food, like drinkings, same like natural medicine. Pure herbal medicine, so there is no any side effect. So Tibetan medicine takes a little bit long time course, but it's very good for whole immunity, whole body system, and also main uprooted disease, and also no any side effect. So Tibetan medicine is really so wonderful here.